Hello everybody, welcome to my new SMB Sunday market breakdown. I have only one pair this upcoming week because the markets need to have some more time to recover from the impulsive moves. So I have only one pair, CADCHF, but we start with the DXY as usually. So the US dollar currency index. So what I can see, we are at the weekly chart. We have this last weekly bullish candle close for this week. So a very nice impulsive move. We are still bullish. We are making this bigger bullish M pattern for possible more upside momentum. So what I expect from the DXY is that we can have some more bullish momentum. We are in this uptrend. This is an in channel. The only thing we need to be aware of is this first touch, second touch, and then maybe the third touch around this zone. Because a lot of times it happens when we touch 3 times a trend line, then the price can kick in very aggressively to the downside. So this can happen. But what we can see already, bullish orders are kicking in. So we look on a daily because the weekly is clear. We have the bullish orders there. Then what I can see on the daily is this nice bullish M here. And with a nice institutional candle between all the blue candles, you have one red candle, so it's working like a magnet here. So what I did was, okay, from where point can we go to the downside? So I took my Fibonacci from the low here till the high from the previous bullish M. And when you can see the minus 6080 is at this white line. I took the round number to the downside, this 113.300. So if we can touch this zone, there can kick in some liquidity, some sellers, and then we can go to the downside till this potential institutional candle for some relief here and then more upside momentum. So that's what I can see on the DXY. We will see what will happen there. So yeah, then my first pair that I have and the last one also. So if I go on the weekly chart, or yeah, on the weekly chart, you can see we have here that major bearish W that can complete. So that's nice. We have also that weekly bearish candle close. We are at a monthly buying zone, sorry, as you can see. So I will look a few minutes to it. So I will just explain how the weekly is looking. So what I can see on the weekly is we have that weekly bearish candle, so I can look on the daily for more confirmation. And on the daily, what we can see, we had still that previous daily bearish W that is still in play, and we can reach still the daily minus 27, like this, the 0.70750 region. So we touch our daily zone of interest. I took my horizontal black line at the top of the wick because if I go now to the 4-hour chart, you can see we didn't close above that horizontal black line. So this trade is still valid. And what I can see for that can happen is this bearish W above the previous higher low. So this can happen. The only thing we need to be aware of is this potential shoulder 1, head shoulder 2 here. That can play out because this is a reversal pattern, but yeah, we need to take some more partials out because the weekly or the monthly horizontal black line here, horizontal line, sorry, the gray one, is a buying zone. So we need to take aggressively more partials at the 4-hour minus 27 here at 2.3%. So yeah, if I go now to the weekly, you can see already, yeah, buying orders kicking in, buying orders kicking in. If I go further, this is also resistance. And here, nice support, support, support. As you can see, and here also again, very nice support. So it's a very respected region and a big supply and demand zone. So if I go now to the monthly, it will be just already the same. As you can see here, that support, all of these candles are support. Here, that resistance, and then support and potentially support. If I take my Fibonacci here from the high to the low, you can see we had already a minus 27 monthly fib completion, but the minus 6080 just didn't got tapped. So yeah, maybe we can still tap it, but we need to see. There's a more higher chance that the bulls can kick in. So this is my trade, the bearish W. We only need to be careful for that inversion and shoulders here that can possibly play out to the upside. So yeah, we will see. So yeah, this is my SMB for this upcoming week. Not a lot of trades. Some other trades need to have some more patience to yeah to execute one. So yeah, see you next week. Bye everybody. Have a nice week.